Hello everyone, this is Sydney, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact system that helps me to make $200, and it's not even 24 hours yet, and I will show you exactly how. Okay. However, before I start, I want to put a disclaimer that I'm not starting from the scratch. Okay, I have my community, I have my email list, and I already built trust with my people. And I want to show you what is possible when you put in the work, because just like you, I start from zero, and I don't even live in an English-speaking country. So this is totally possible. Okay, so now let me show you the exact system. As you can see here, the daily leads and sales system. First of all, I'm gonna drive traffic to my lead magnet. The lead magnet is a freebie, a free guide that you give people for free. In exchange, they will give you an email address. Okay. And the guide that I am sharing right now is the 100 a day threads blueprint. How to make $100 on threads. And this is really high converting because it can catch attention really well. People always wonder how to make money, right? But now I'm showing the system to make $100 a day. And as you can see that I am making $200 yesterday, and it's not even 24 hours. This guide has real value in it, and it's really high converting. And on the sale page, I add an order bump, and this order bump is only $3. This works, okay? I will show you later after I show you this exact system. And then I also send them the 7-day email follow-up like this. And you can see that it's consistently in 7 days. Once people download the guide, it will tell people to get this course, the Threads code. This is an amazing offer, that's why it converts so well. Also, these emails are designed to convert people to get the Threads code as well. And I also add one more upsell with the Win the First program. It's an interactive 30 days program that guides you step by step every single day to stay consistent. And I also add my one-on-one support when people get these products as well. And as you can see, here are the whole system. And now let me show you more about the lead magnet right here. It's the $100 a day threads blueprint. You can see it looks like this, and inside you will learn a lot right here. And I also add the order bump, the threads roadmap. If people get this one for free, then they can just get it for free. But if they add this order bump, then they will charge $3. And they also get the 10-day challenge to grow on threads. So it depends on people. I'm telling you, one customer equals 1,000 leads. So even if this is a small amount, it's really important. Because if someone buys something, they tend to buy something else more online. Okay, so make sure you add the order bump. And let me show you the stats right here. There are 151 people get the free copy, and 14 people already grab the Threads roadmap. That means around 10 people get the free guide, 1 person will add the order bump. So it's pretty effortless to make this money because I don't do anything. I just add it as an order bump right there, and it works. So I highly recommend that if you are giving away something for free, you should add an order bump. Then inside the guide, it's a really high converting guide because people get a lot of value inside here. You can see they will learn the $100 a day blueprint, the simple funnel that you just watched, then the 5 viral hook formulas, the daily posting schedule, AI prompts, and 10 done for you viral threads. If you haven't got this guide yet, I put the link below and you can get yourself a copy to learn from as well. And in this guide, you will plug in the exact system that helps me to get the result, and you can plug in it to play with it as well. I already highlight the Threads code right here. There are 11 places that you need to replace with your link right here. And one more important part to make your offer more irresistible is when you add bonus in it. Like here, I add in if people get the Threads codes from me, they can DM me to get the Canva file for this guide, so they can just plug in and play. And I also offer the Threads Vault, where I already have over 1,000 Threads posts for them to post. How amazing is that? However, this bonus offer will not be here forever. If you don't see it anymore, that means it's gone. So I put it here only 24 hours. And finally, I also add an upsell with the Win the First program, because this is an amazing program where you can plug in for 30 days and you have a great community to grow. And also, I'll be with you every single day, so you will have me accompany with you for the whole 30 days, where we will start building your Threads system. Even though the Win the First program can work for any system and they focus pretty heavily on Instagram, and we will create your own consistency, and we will use mainly done for you Threads posts, okay, to grow your Threads, because this is where you will mainly grow and attract customers, because this system is more about Threads, growing on Threads. And we will improve your content, and you can get feedback when you start from me, and also inside the Win the First bootcamp as well. And as I said, I will be with you for 30 days, and you can DM me anything, anytime about business, and I will always prioritize your DM, and I will always get back to you within 24 hours. Okay, so now the most important question that I know that you are asking is how to get traffic, how to get people to download your offer right here, the free offer. Okay, so I told you that this is a really high converting funnel, because everything is around the Threads code. And in this offer, you will learn exactly how the creator, she grows her account to 44,000 followers, and it's almost 45,000 followers now. And look at this, she got 9 million recent views, and a lot of those views are from high quality customers. So you just need to plug in and play, because the system here starts with a free offer and then a very low price order bump, and the Threads codes is really high converting, that show you the exact method to grow your Threads to attract customers to your system. Also, you don't need to depend on Threads as well. I post on Facebook, on TikTok, on my school, anywhere that people interested in making money online, you can sell this system. Okay, so thank you so much for watching until this far, and I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know below. And don't forget, once you get the Threads code, don't forget to DM me so I can send you my bonuses. Thank you so much, and I hope that helps. This is Sydney from workwithsydney.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.